What? Good morning. So this is what Ashok gave me for our 10-year anniversary, friendship anniversary. It says, "Dear Kevin, happy 10-year friendship anniversary." Gave one to Jordan as well.
Yes.
I want to see yours.
Okay-ish friend.
What is this? Happy 10-year. I'm so thankful. God, a man after God's own heart. He called you a man after God's own heart. He didn't call me that.
I called you a man of God.
I guess. It's not the same thing.
We're in a competition for your loyalties.
Oh my God.
This is us fixing our her.
Why wouldn't we?
Oh.
I love you, man. Ah! Ah!
Okay.
So where are we going to go today? What's our plan?
Ooh, we're gonna try to get a view of Mount Hood.
Mount? What?
Hood.
We're gonna go to Mount Hood.
We're gonna see the gorge. It's gonna look amazing.
It's gonna look gorgeous. Ah, was so good. So funny. See you soon. Okay, we gotta turn back. We just came to do some hiking and walking, and yeah, we're supposed to go there, but we can't. This place is gorgeous. This face is gorgeous. Even this one. Okay, I'm climbing this cavernous, treacherous Multnomah Mountains with my buddy Ashok. What are we doing? Oh, don't slip. Ah! This is deep.
Ooh, that's serious. Ooh.
You got it.
Oh gosh. An Italian in the wild.
This is my native territory. Feels like I'm back in the motherland. Wow. Jeez. This is gorgeous.
It's so quiet.
Straight up. Holy vibes. Okay, 1, 2. Ridiculous. This is so crazy. I don't know if you can hear me, but look at this. Look at this. I'm like literally underneath the waterfall right now. And it's wild. We made it, y'all.
So cool.